Drilling is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves creating holes in various materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. This process is essential in the production of a wide range of products, including automotive parts, aerospace components, and electronic devices. Drilling is typically performed using a drill bit, which rotates at high speeds and applies pressure to the material, creating a hole of the desired size and shape. The drilling process can be performed using various techniques, including hand drilling, machine drilling, and automated drilling. Hand drilling is typically used for small-scale projects, while machine drilling is used for larger projects that require precision and consistency. Automated drilling, on the other hand, is used for high-volume production, where speed and efficiency are critical. In addition to creating holes, drilling can also be used for other purposes, such as tapping threads, countersinking, and reaming. Tapping threads involves creating threads inside a hole, while countersinking involves creating a conical recess at the top of a hole. Reaming, on the other hand, involves enlarging an existing hole to a precise size and shape. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. As a leading provider of precision machining services, Berkness Company offers a wide range of services, including drilling, milling, turning, and grinding. With state-of-the-art equipment and a team of experienced professionals, the Berkness Company is committed to delivering high-quality products that meet the unique needs of its customers. If you are interested in learning more about drilling or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. Here, you can fill out a form to request more information or schedule a consultation with one of the company's experts. Whether you need a single part or a large-scale production run, Berkness Company has the expertise and resources to deliver the results you need. FAQs. 1. What types of materials can be drilled? Answer. Drilling can be performed on a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, wood, and composites. The type of drill bit and drilling technique used will depend on the specific material being drilled. 2. What are the different types of drilling techniques? Answer. There are several drilling techniques used in manufacturing, including twist drilling, center drilling, gun drilling, and trepanning. Each technique is used for specific applications and requires different types of drill bits and machinery. 3. How can I improve drilling efficiency and accuracy? Answer. To improve drilling efficiency and accuracy, it is important to use the correct drill bit for the material being drilled, maintain proper drill bit sharpness, and ensure that the drilling machine is properly calibrated. Additionally, using lubricants and coolants during the drilling process can help to reduce heat and friction, which can improve drilling performance. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.